Guys, something is cooking. Okay, I'm remaking vegetable rice. Nimeamua nipike tena na leo nimeamua tuanze from scratch. So hapa tuko na yellow bell pepper and red bell pepper, ama ukipenda pilipili hoho ya red na ya yellow. And then niko na onions hapa nishakata, niko na nyanya, niko na marinated chicken hapa nimesha marinate. Pre-cooked rice nishapika mchele. Okay, sahi nachemsha minji and carrot. Hizi ndio nimetumia kumarinate kuku. For the marination of chicken, I've used paprika powder and soy sauce dark. Okay, so after marinating the chicken, I will just shallow fry. Okay, tutafry kidogo tu and then we move on. So kwa kumarinate sijawaambia nimetumia paprika and soy sauce and a little bit of salad na chumvi kidogo. I've already boiled the minji and the carrots na sasa ziko sawa. As you can see, the minji bado ziko green. So for you to maintain the green color of minji, for it not to change the color after boiling, you will put it you will drain the hot water, then you will pour the minji in a cold water. As you can see, they were in cold water. Now I've washed and they are here. So after washing with cold water, you will rinse the minji twice in a cold water for them not to change the colors. They will maintain the green color. Let's go on. Here our pan is ready and I'm just about to put the chicken for the frying process. So here the chicken. So I'm frying the chicken until golden brown. So let's go, guys. It's still going on until golden brown. That is our achievement. It's golden brown. So tuende, guys. Almost there. Our chicken is ready. So in the same pot that we've used to fry the chicken, I've added some oil. So I'll go on and put onions. Our chicken are ready. Ndio hizi hapa. So in the same pot, nimeweka kitunguu. I'll fry some onions until they are ready. The onions are ready, so I'll go ahead and put some tomato. Tomatoes are ready. I'll go in with the pilipili hoho, the yellow one and the red one, or bell pepper. So our pilipili hoho are already here. Now I'll go on and put the pre-boiled minji and carrots. So I'm mixing the veggies and the carrots and minji. They are now together and I've mixed them well. So I'll go on and put the chicken. So I'll go on and mix in the chicken. And let me tell you guys, up to this point, my kitchen is really smelling so good. You can hear the smell. I've mixed the minji, green, the pilipili hoho, the red one and the yellow one, and I've also mixed in the minji. So I'll just go ahead and mix in the rice, the pre-cooked rice. So I'll mix the rice inside these all veggies. And I've mixed everything. The rice, chicken and everything. And here is the end results. Thank you, guys. Toodoo.